first one of the day. This is a new client with his gorgeous Harley Iron Sportster. This is a last minute booking. This right here is why it's so important to give us a buzz if you want a last minute booking. As there is two of us, we can usually accommodate you. This is going to get one of our full Monty valets with XCP corrosion protection. So we're going to do a full Snowfoam safe wash, decontaminate it. We'll get all these discs all polished up. Oh, it's got a bit of bubbling in that paintwork there. What a shame. He didn't go with the ceramic, but we will do a quick single stage polish on a couple of these bits for him. It's got a few marks I did see here and there, but we'll get all this disc all clean, all these wheels clean, see if we can do something with those white walls there, get it looking like it should, and get some XCP corrosion protection on. You can see a few of these nuts and bolts are all starting to turn white already, so that's why it's so important to keep your bike properly protected. Enough of my jibber jabber, let's work a bit of chalk magic. There you go, 2 hours on the dot. This trick little Harley Iron Sportster has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. This has had one of our legendary full Monty valets with XCP corrosion protection all over the motor. All your little bits of chrome has been polished up. I did do a 2-stage machine polish on all this bodywork. All these black bits here that had a few scratches in have all been polished. And I did end up putting some Ultimaxx ceramic on it. It's such a lovely paint job. It's a shame not to keep it properly protected. So I've thrown a bit of ceramic in, did all the banjo bolts, all the bits and pieces, retouched up some paint on that regulator rectifier. So yeah, all done, 2 hours on the dot.